All right, so first we'll go over the GUI. Let's open this first. Run. All right, so here's adding. Now we'll get rid of it. So those two work. For average length and popular genre, we'll add one more. Cool. So popular genres pop. Then here's the average length. The corrected bug method. I think that was in here. All right. So originally it had, instead of the equal to, it used the two equal signs, which didn't compare the album content. It compares the object identity, which would throw false, which would cause all those failed tests. For the overloaded album constructor, that one, all right, to change the string year and the string length, I use integer.parseInt year to change it to an integer, and double.parseDouble to change the string length to a double. Then I would assign these two to its corresponding the fields. There it is. The overloaded add method. Where was that at? All right. So first, feels null, throw an illegal argument exception. Then after that, just use a for loop to go through each album object, and then use .add to add each album to the library. It'll return true if at least one album was added successfully. For the music library average album length, if the albums was empty, it returned 0. To get the average, it was use the for loop to go through each album object, get the length, and then add that to total. Then right here, it'd be total divided by the size of the album. How many objects are in the list? For most frequent genre, I used a nested for loop to iterate through each album and keep track of the genres. If the album, if the library, my bad, if the library was empty, it would return null. For the tests, we'll run the first one, construct all strings argument. All these passed. Get average length. These also pass. Get most frequent genre. And add list of albums. I'll go ahead and run all the other tests. An album and music library as well.